Hey there, today I'll show you how to export Lucidchart documents as PDF or images step by step. Up in the top left corner of the editor, you'll see the main menu bar. Click on File. A drop-down menu will appear with options like New, Import, Export, and Print. In that File menu drop-down, look for Download or Export. It's usually in the middle section of the menu. Click on it. This will open either a submenu or a modal window showing your export format options. Now you'll see the different file formats you can export to. Lucidchart gives you 4 main options: PDF, PNG, JPEG, and SVG. Click on the format you want. PDF is best for documents you'll print or share professionally. PNG works well for web use and supports transparency. JPEG gives you smaller file sizes when transparency doesn't matter. SVG is the choice if you need a scalable vector graphic. Once you select your format, it'll be highlighted, and you might see additional options appear. Depending on which format you chose, you'll now see some settings you can adjust. For PDF exports, you'll typically see options like Current Page Only or All Pages. Click whichever one you need. For PNG and JPEG, you'll see a quality slider or resolution dropdown. Adjust these to your preferred level. The settings update in real time, so you can see how your choices affect the export. Once you've got your settings the way you want them, look for the Download or Export button at the bottom right of the dialog. Click it. Your browser will start downloading the file immediately, and you'll see a download notification appear. The file will go straight to your Downloads folder and be named after your document title, with the right file extension added automatically. Your original Lucidchart document stays exactly as it is in your account. Exporting doesn't change or delete anything. If you don't see the file right away, check your browser's download bar or open your Downloads folder to find it. Thanks for watching.